Good evening, friends. So, yesterday I explained about the Metal Master, what are the views is required for PP view, and what are the view required for the finance and costing. Okay, patches is required. There is option valuation class. What is moving average price? Standard price. Okay. So today we will check how we are going to log in our system. You will get one login pad. This is our SAP login pad. This is called graphical user interface. So we were talking about our three-tier architecture, right? So there is a presentation, application, and database. So this is our presentation that is called GUI. Application is where our logic is built, and database our SQL. So you will get server is there. So you can click. Now system will open. We are always telling client is required. So in this case, our client is this user ID and password. Always remember, your user ID should not give wrong password should not give more than 3 times. Okay, if you give 3 times means your user ID will be locked. So on that time you need to contact your administrator, that is a basis step. Okay, nobody can unlock, you need to contact them. So there is a option continue with this login, because sometimes what is happening, multiple user IDs also, multiple user login is allowed. So on that time, suppose if another user login from the same user ID, so you need to use this. Okay, understood? Hello, Dipanjan.
Yes, sir.
So here this is our command field. There is a two-way. You can use command field, or there is also path. You can check Mental Master, logistic material management. You can check here raw material, semi-finished, finished goods, operating systems. You see, there is a T code, okay, but this is for particular item wise. Okay, so we will not special. This is the one option is create special. We will use MM01. Okay, MM02 like that. So one option, if you click here, your transaction will be open. This is the proceed with path. If you don't want, you remember, you have to remember MM01 is for metal creation. Okay, so I will give RWZ industry type, that is a mechanical engineering, raw material, RWZ. Okay, then you click on organization level, give plant TP01, storage location is DS01. Okay, then select view. Our requirement is we are creating the raw material. So basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing view, MRP 1, 2, 3. You can select also for not an issue. General data 1, general plant data storage 2, accounting 1, accounting 2, costing 1, costing 2. Okay. Now you click on here. So again, this organization labels is pop up. Now you give your material code. So I am giving one example. Our raw material is
Which
what you want to give. You give just
which
example of battery charger.
okay. Battery charger is a finished good.
No, no, I'm giving raw material of raw material
अच्छा, अच्छा.
for finished charger. Tell me.
So you can give a raw material as switch.
Okay. Suppose it is made of
Okay.
I'm giving one example switch Crompton Greaves. Okay. Basic unit of measurement I maintain as a each metal group I am giving 0, 1. Okay. So different raw metal type of metal you can decide how we are maintaining is depend on business. Okay. If it is required, you are having a gross weight, net weight, or you have a volume, you can maintain. Here unit is there. Okay. Then I will click on basic data 2. Okay. In basic data 2, basic metal is there. If it is required, you can maintain. Internal standard description is there. You can give it. One more thing, because what is happening once SAP implementation is started, before that maybe they were using some local ERP system. So might be possible they are maintaining some old metal code. Okay, so suppose earlier they are maintaining like that. So you have to maintain always old metal group also. Remember, this is a good thing for implementation. So what is happening? What is the use of this? Suppose after implementation, your material is will be using for the live transaction. So if they have a reconciliation, so they can compare with that. Okay. So if during reconciliation, it will be easy to understand what was the old material code. So based on that, we can understand. Then after that, I will click on purchasing view because it is a raw material. Automatically, base unit measurement and metal group has been pop up. You need to select the purchasing group. Okay. So there is also one possible who is responsible for which department. So I'm giving suppose because this is raw material, so it is handled by the production department or procurement department. You can give also. Okay. If it is required batch management, you can click on here batch management. Enter it. Then material group MRP group is if it is required, then you can maintain the MRP group. Then MRP type I will maintain as MRP type PD. If it is not required, then you have to maintain ND. Okay. Then MRP controller. This is the one point of reporting purpose. Okay, then I will maintain as a EX. This is a lot size. EX means lot for lot order quantity. Okay, you can maintain FX also. That is a fixed lot size. You can see FX is fixed order quantity. Okay, if you want to fix, so suppose there are a requirement of 100 quantity. If it is fixed like 5, so every time 5 purchase requisition will be generated for 5 quantity. So in for lot order quantity, I'm giving 10. Okay, now you see procurement type F. For raw material it is maintain F. You can maintain the storage location, that is where you will store your material, from which location. If it is back plus is required, you can maintain. Now if GR
What is
processing,
back plus?
back plus means auto good issue. Okay, I will tell you in the next scenario. At first I am giving the basic scenario, but in Material Master, if you see in my Material Master series, I given the back plus core product like that.
Yes,
So
sir.
one by one we will check all scenarios. Understood? So in this case, we will not maintain the back flush. Plant delivery time means suppose if you require any material. So what are the plant delivery time? Okay, so it will be considered. What is GR
That means
processing after receiving the material? How long it will take for inspection? So that is called GR processing time. And schedule margin key you can maintain 000. Why I am giving here, because we should give schedule margin key into finish or semi finish item. So try to put here also. So you will not mistake, or you will not miss this bit. I am not giving plant delivery time like that. And here availability check is important. If you are not maintain the availability check, your order will not created or will not release. Okay, so daily requirement and individual requirement. Daily requirement means your requirement on daily basis. So it depend on how you are going to manage your demand. So and 0 to 4 individual requirement. So if it is a PPSD integration, so I am giving SD point of view. This is the individual requirement for make to stock. Okay. In MRP4, I will not give anything. If it is repetitive manufacturing, you need to give this data. Okay. And production version is also is possible from here. Then you click on plant storage data one. You see the batch management also is there. Then plant data two, accounting one. You see, it is if it is raw material, your price control automatically V means moving average price, and valuation class, it is maintain valuation for GL. This is for raw material. It is configured already. I will give moving average price 1 rupees. Okay, you always remember if it is raw material, then you have to put moving average price. Avinash, are you getting? Hello, Avinash, Dipanjan.
Yes, sir. I'm getting you.
Okay, costing one. You see, costing two, accounting one, accounting two. There is no any price. Okay, this is the related tax price. So this is a totally FICO part, finance and costing. And you see costing costing lot size it is coming, because whatever the standard price based on costing 1 and costing u it is calculated. Okay, and sometimes it is happening we have to put profit center data. So here no any profit center, so we will not give anything.
Profit center
And
क्या है sir?
profit center, this is the one we can say how they are going to calculate their profitabilities. Okay, so this is the purely part of finance or costing team, maintain by costing team. Okay, so you see whatever you mentioned it is updated into costing also. So now I am going to save it. Okay, we'll copy it and fill up here. Okay. Hello.
जी सर।
Dipendu,
सर सुना।
there is some voice disturbance. Hello.
हाँ जी सर। यस आज
Okay.
आज आ रहा है बोलिए।
So our raw material description this. Okay. So I have this data should be filled up by Dipendu. Okay. You just fill up whatever data we are entering. Okay. Now I will save it. So our raw material is created. Okay. So in MM03 you can check it. MRP1, MRP2, MRP3. Okay. So now I will create finished product. MM01.
ठीक है।
Hello, Avinash, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Some voice is disturbance. There is some voice disturbance. I don't know what sound
My
is
side,
coming.
sir.
I don't know. It's like a fan is working on background, or now it is not coming. Okay, I will create one FG items. Okay, I select the industry type, that is mechanical engineering. Third is our finished product. Okay,
ओके सर।
I will select the plant is DP01, storage location is TS01, select view. Basic data 1, purchasing view we need not to select. Okay, then more scheduling, and all data should be selected. Understood?
Sir, here production resources or tools are not required.
Sorry.
Production resources or tools that parameter is not required. Sir.
Okay. Again, I will. So, okay. What is your finished product? Charger.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me.
एकदम नीचे जाइए. वर्क शेड्यूलिंग जो है उसके हाँ प्रोडक्शन रिसोर्सेज और टूल्स.
No, it is not, in this scenario. It is not required. I will let you know later. What is the use of production resource tools? Okay.
ओके सर.
What is happening? Suppose if you are making any component or finished product, so there is a require some with that material some tools is compulsory. So that can be maintained into through material master. Okay.
और सर यहाँ पर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट जो है
If it is required quality management, then it will be activated. So it will be activated by quality person. Okay. So I am selecting our views. Not a store location. So charger one, you just tell me. Tell me something about your company name.
क्लोराइड पावर सिस्टम CPSSL लिख दीजिए. CPSSL.
CP.
SSL.
Okay. So I'm giving the unit, base unit of measurement each. Okay. Basic data to not require anything. MRP 1. I will give it PD. MRP controller Z1. Lot size EX. I'm giving 10. MRP2, you see it is coming X. Okay, we have to give E because E is in-house production. Okay, production store location you can give here. Co-product required, then we can maintain co-product. I will let you know later. And plant delivery GR processing time not required. Schedule margin is 000. Strategy group is empty. This is the emptiest scenario. So what we have to give? You just check my sheet.
10.
If it is make to stock, then what we have to give it?
10.
Yes, good. And 24
10 for
MTO.
MPS.
Yes, you remember all this data. That's why first I share with you this Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
your homework for today, you have to fill up all this data, whatever you maintain against the material.
Okay.
I will give it 10. What
Sir,
would be the ability
responder
check?
का
What would be the ability check?
ability check 0
0, 1.
02. Individual requirement, right?
हाँ एंड यूजर को चाहिए. सर एक बार एक्सेल शीट को खोलेंगे सर. हाँ 02.
I have given 0102. I told you the daily and this. That's why I told you, you have to fill up all these things.
Okay. अच्छा daily or individual requirement.
That's why I told you. If this is a remarks 1, you have to maintain remarks 2, remarks 3 like that only. And put your, so once you are practicing like this, so your knowledge will grow and at the time of interview you will not stuck anywhere. because this is not a simple training. This is our project training. That's why I'm making like this. Later on, I will let you know. So, what are the name of field? What is the technical name of this field? How we are maintaining? Today I filled field. So I will give one more column, and that would be the technical field. Because this is a project training, not simple training. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So you have to practice like that only. So that only you can improve and work as a implementation team member. Okay, then I click on MRP4. This data is not required. If it is required production version, we will maintain in MM02. Then work scheduling. If it is required batch manage, you can maintain. Erosion one is not there. I will show you in configuration how we are maintaining to scheduling supervisor or scheduler. Okay. In our configuration, I will tell you the how to maintain production supervisor. This is a one type of KDS data we can say. It is maintained by configuration at plant level. Okay.
KDS का मतलब क्या है?
Key data structure. Okay, so you see now it is coming price control S. So you see this is your finished product. So you need to give first valuation class 7920. Okay, now you will not maintain here. That is the main point. You have to give a standard price. Suppose the standard price is 2000. I'm giving per unit. So accounting costing you. So now your this component also is created.
APRT में होगा.